Hey, welcome back. This is the fifth and the final part on our logical functions and if statement. In our last class, we discussed joining if functions with and or. In this class, we are going to discuss if nested if, that is. So let's say in your sales, you have decided that when sales is less than 50,000, you give a discount of 5%. When sales is less than 70,000, that is from 50,000 to 69,900, you have decided to give this. And when the sales is less than 80,000, you have decided to give this. And when the sales is greater or equal to 80,000, you give 10% discount. So how can you do this? You can do this in using nested if. So you say equals if tab. The logical test here, if this value is less than this 50,000, you fix that F4, comma, you give this, multiply by 5% here, F4, comma, value is false. If that is not true, you introduce another if this value again is less than 70,000, you fix using F4, comma, this value, multiply by 7% here, F4, comma, value is false, you introduce another if this value is less than 80,000, you say F4, comma, value if true, you say this value multiplied by 9%, you say F4, comma, and lastly you introduce another if this value is greater or equal to 80,000, you say F4, comma, you say if this value is greater or equal to 80,000, you say F4, comma, you say this value multiply by 10%, and you say F4. So you have to fix all these values. You don't want these values to be copied down, right? Comma, otherwise give 0. You close, and you say enter. So this is the 5%, because for the first time, if the sales is less than 50,000, you give a discount of 5%. So the 5% of this should give you this. So can we confirm? Is equal to this multiply by 0.05. When you say enter, you get that. So this is 5%. You copy down your formula because you have absolute referenced your data. So let's confirm if this is still true. This is less than, this is in which range? This is under 7%. So you can say this one is equal to this multiply by 0.07, because 68,515 is lying between 50,000 and 70,000, which should be giving us 7%. When you say this one enter, you get 796 and 50.05 cents. So this is how we do if statement, and we are now through with this topic until we come back with the next topic. Thank you and enjoy learning. In case you have any question, don't hesitate. You have to submit your topical your topical assignments on time so that we grade you and give you the way forward. Thank you and enjoy learning.